SOLIDWORKS 2024 has introduced an exciting new feature. In this feature, we can add smart dimension to our sketch entities with a single click and while staying near our sketch. For this, we need to create a sketch. So let's go to the front plane and create a sketch. Let's create a random sketch. Let's create it like this. Okay, press escape to exit. And now let's right click and here select the preview sketch dimension option. So before, when you clicked on a sketch entity, you could define the relations for that sketch entity. However, with this new feature, you can click and here a preview is shown for this dimension. Double click here and you can define it. With this, you can add the sketch right while you are close to the sketch. No need to go to smart dimensions again and again. And this does not only work for a single sketch entity. Let's select these two, press Ctrl, select these two, and a preview for the angle dimension has popped up. So let's insert, sorry, not here. Let's insert 140 here, click OK, and this dimension has changed. So it's a pretty cool feature. Try this and let us know what you think about this.